Hello Year 2s and welcome to How to Use Nearpod. So, what will happen is you are in your Zoom meeting. Then your teacher will send you a link on the chat. It will come up like this. You can click on it. It will open your chat. See at the bottom here? There is a button that says chat. Then, when you open your chat, you can open this link that is in blue. You will click on the link. This will take you to Nearpod. When it loads, Nearpod will ask you to put in your name. Welcome to your lesson. Here you put in your name. Then you say, join lesson. When you have joined the lesson, your screen will look like this. There will be a PowerPoint. And from your teacher's side, your teacher will be able to click to a different link. Here is something fun. Fill in the blank. What is Uncle Bob doing? Uncle Bob is watching TV. So you can drag the word and put it on the block where you think it needs to be. Is Fred drawing? Yes, Fred is drawing. Who is writing an email? Aunt Meg is writing an email. What are Moby and Polly doing? Moby and Polly are having fun. Then you can click Done. Nice work. You got 4 out of 4 correct. Then you can say Close. Then you will see this screen again. When it is time to move on, your teacher will click Next. And here it says, the activity will start soon. Your teacher will start the activity and you will see a countdown screen. Let's go. Here we must match the correct word with ing. Look, ing. Oh no, it said it was incorrect. See plus ing. Make plus ing. Look plus ing. Take plus ing. Do plus ing. Oh no, time is up. Then your teacher will go to the next slide. Here you will be able to type for your teacher. It says here, phonics, words spelling with E. So let's think of words that are spelt with an E sound and type your answer here. So we can say see and post. We can say be and post. We can say tree and post. When there are a lot of posts, your teacher will move on. So you will see your phonics here. Then your teacher can click to the next one. And you will see when your teacher clicks next. Now there is a memory test for you. So you will click and it says creepy. Then you can click and it says something about stamp. 3. Let's look if we can find the 3. 3 and 3 together. Then we have climbing a tree. here we have creepy. Not the same. Stamp. Here we have a match. So you match the same pictures to the same thing. Here we have creepy and creepy. And then you are complete. Now your teacher can move on. And then once you are completed with your lesson on Nearpod, you can go back to your Zoom. If you are on a phone, then you will have to click the space button to see all of your apps and click back onto Zoom. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please ask your questions. Thank you very much, Year 2. Good luck.